Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Tubbs account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Tubbs account, firstly, go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Tubb.com and make a search. The official page of Tubb will appear on the screen. Click on the Sign In option at the top right side of the page. You can log into Tubbs account with your Google, Facebook, or email address as well. Here, I'm going to go with email. So, enter your email address and password associated with the Tubb account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can log into your Tubbs account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.